We're gonna go get something to eat.
In the resort, World Casino in Queens.
We're going to the casino. They're pretty. She got so much money. Look at this milkshake. Oh my gosh. Look at my Pochaco cotton cleanser, toner, wash up. I've honestly noticed like such a big difference in like my skin and like the puffiness of my face after I started doing this every night, and it's definitely something that I'm gonna keep in my nightly routine because I see such a difference, and even in like a couple days, like it's very noticeable. It is moisturizer. It is now 10 p.m. and we are trying to figure out what we're gonna be doing tomorrow before the enhypen concert. So we're thinking about heading over to the arena around 4, and it's like a 30-minute commute. Show starts at 7:30, so we should have a few hours before to look around and have some fun before the actual show starts. I suggested that we go to Flushing, but the biggest problem is finding parking because everything is so crowded with like very little parking spaces. So because we drove up here, like we're gonna have to figure that out unless we want to like get an Uber or like take a train somewhere, and then that's like a whole nother thing in itself. I guess we'll hang out there for a few hours and then we'll come back to the hotel and then do like the last few things to get ready and then head over to the arena. So yeah, I gotta go do my research. Good night. Sambas. Okay, fit check. Top is from Lucan, skirt is from Charlotte Russe, and then these are Sambas, and then I found the Uniqlo bag and then this shirt from Mufusan. These are water bottles. I think I'm gonna get this. Are now food shopping unintentionally.
Multi-pack with and you get
Oh, they get a little bunny.
have New Jeans Pepero. Those are my favorite. I found the konjac jelly. I'm gonna try yokoki. Here, it was very clean inside the mall, which I was surprised about because everything here is kind of like, you know, expected to be like smelly or like messy, but it was very clean. We are at a photo booth. We're gonna pick out some props. I picked cola. I'm gonna get a capybara keychain for my new Uniqlo bag. Oh, I'm so bad. They have Simpsons. They have a light too. We just went shopping in Flushing and it was actually so fun. I went to Skyview Mall and Tangram Mall and Skyview Mall, and both of those were so good. Skymart, we went to Skymart. We got a whole bunch of foods and snacks. Keep watching and there will be a mukbang later. Got a pin for my new bag and then a keychain for my new bag. And yeah, super fun. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel and get ready for the concert. So I laid out all the stuff that I got and here we go. I got my new bag, gray jacket, a jean skirt, this Mofusan shirt, some more eyebrow gel. We took pictures, some tea. This is a dress, mochi. I found the Fino hair mask, so I'm gonna use that now. And then Smiski, I'll open that later. I got, this is a pin. So I'm thinking of putting this on my bag. I think that would be really cute. And then this is also a keychain for the bag. And then some konjac jelly, pepero, tteokbokki, because I would really like to try some. And then yeah, that's everything. Now it's time to get ready for the concert. Makeup for the concert. Here is the rest of the outfit. Concert starts at 7:30 and we're gonna try and leave soon so we can get there and hang out a little bit before the show starts.
Yours takes better pictures than mine.
Bro, everyone here is so freaking well dressed and pretty, it's like crazy. Yo! That concert was so freaking good. Every concert I always get really bad PCD and this time is like the worst ever. Like but I've barely eaten all day, so I'm gonna do a mukbang before I go to sleep. So I got stuff. First is tteokbokki, New Jeans, pepper roll, peach konjac jelly, and then taro mochi. I've never had taro mochi before, so I'm excited to try it. And then I have peach tea, cute. And then, which one is this?
Green tea and jasmine.
Green tea, honey, and jasmine. So, yeah. You wanna try some?
Yes.
Come here. Yo, this is so good. Peach konjac jelly with my peach drink. Peach. Very good. It goes really well with the peach drink because they're both peach. Really spicy. It's good though. This is such a good like post-concert meal, like literally. She's trying to make ramen. Struggling. So I've been told that this is like drinking flowers. So oh, it smells like medicine, not gonna lie. It tastes like perfume. This has nothing on my peach tea. What are we supposed to do with this tea? Are you gonna drink it? Try to drink it? It's not that bad. I'll have some more. I'll rate this 5 out of 10, but I feel like this is like an acquired taste. Like I feel like if I had more stuff like this and like it was like my personal preference, I feel like I would like it more, but
There's no saying necessity is the mother of invention. Yes, you guys throwing it out there.
good. Now is New Jeans pepper roll. 10 out of 10. I just love this stuff. So I finally got my hands on a Smiski. I've been wanting one for months now, but I got one from the Work series. So it has a couple options. I think the one that I want the most is probably either the one with the light bulb on his head or the one with the laptop. But honestly, I like all of them, so. Oh, I got the three little ones. I got the 3. They glow in the dark, I think. Shirt is from Uniqlo. Shorts are from American Equal and Samba Zikin. And my bag is from Uniqlo. overpriced gift shop haul. How much is that? Bro.
So you said you didn't bring the phone cord that was in the car?
Nope.
The black and white one?
Nope. This is all performative, by the way. Top is from New York & Company, jeans are from Lugan, and my shoes are Adidas Sambas. Today is our last day and we will be heading home. I'm super sad about it because I had so much fun, but yeah, I'm not ready to leave, like, to be honest. Like, I'm getting sad, but it's okay. You know, who knows, I might be back. So I just got back home and took a shower and did my skincare routine, and I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and if you want more content like this, please like and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.